Hey, 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 what's happening? Happy Monday. Let's start this one with a smile. All right. We just finished our kettlebell workout, and I'm still doing my longevity workout list. We need to do some kind of exercise too, right? Called my mom yesterday. I called a friend. Somebody called me too. So Ron Reyes and Trigger. So highlight to those guys. And we're gonna do something different. All right. So as a new business owner, we're gonna start our hot dog business tonight, 6 to 8 at the main street, the Basin Cruiser, right? So we still don't know what we're doing, but the best way is to just go at it and then do it and figure it out as we go. So it's not yet a full menu. We don't know the tools, the tongs, and the irons, but we're just gonna do it. Dip our toes and just start it. All right. So hope we get it. All right. So nothing else what to do but just to do it. Alrighty, now it's your turn to do some kind of exercise. And it's Monday, alright? So Monday shop plans, alright? I'm gonna skip, alright? I'm gonna end the streak now. So there's gonna be no more Monday shop plans. I know that's my way of helping. Like my mom said, as a human being, we're mandated to help. So, but I'm gonna shift my helping to do it on my hot dog business, alright? So I'm gonna find a way to help through my hot dog business. Alrighty, my name is Quake. And let's do this every day.